All pools lose water. Determining if this water loss is from evaporation or a leak can be a big part of the challenge on many leak detection jobs. Unfortunately, with normal observation methods or bucket tests, accurate information can take days to acquire. Not with the Leakalyzer. The Leakalyzer from Anderson Manufacturing is a rapid water loss sensor that allows for real-time observation of pool water loss. The Leakalyzer measures minute water level changes and graphs the results on a handheld processor. These results are compared to an estimated evaporation rate to determine leak status. This impressive device is so sensitive that it can measure water level changes as small as 1/10,000th of an inch. That's the thickness of a red blood cell. This precise data collection enables users to identify water loss rates in just 10 to 20 minutes. This innovation changes the leak detection process. Instead of relying on customer observations, you now have access to timely, clear, and accurate information. This can prevent you from chasing a leak that isn't there. Using the Leakalyzer also saves time and improves logical decision-making throughout the job. The Leakalyzer can run while you do an initial visual assessment of the site, run the leak track, or use your hydrophone to quickly listen for leaks in suspect areas. By running Leakalyzer tests under varying conditions, you can isolate water loss to different sections or components of the pool. For example, you can quickly determine if the leak is in the pool or the spa in a pool-spa combo, or you can compare pump-on versus pump-off tests to determine if the leak is in the suction or pressure side plumbing. Narrowing down your search area this way can help you prioritize and streamline your process while you're at the job. We like to think of it as a sixth sense. The Leakalyzer gives you an otherwise unavailable view into what is impacting the water level of the pool. Finally, after a leak has been found and patched, the Leakalyzer can confirm that water loss has stopped and there aren't any other leaks. This helps you quickly move on to the next job and avoid the costly callbacks that can come from multiple leak situations. The Leakalyzer doesn't just improve the leak detection process, it can also help you professionally communicate with the pool owner. Once a test is complete, the data can be exported using Bluetooth to the free Leakalyzer Reporter app, which can be used to edit, organize, and export test data for use in reports. Providing a report as part of your leak detection job can increase the perceived value of your work and reassure your customers that their problem has been resolved. The Leakalyzer reporting app makes generating graphics for these reports easy and serves as a great way to organize your records for each job. Visit leaktools.com to purchase the Leakalyzer today.